Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix this issue. The application was unable to start. The error code is 0 into C 4 times 0 142. Click on to close the application. If any application or game is not working on your Windows, you might get this issue and get this error on your Windows. So in this video, I will show you how to fix it. The major problem of happening this issue is due to C++ is not installed on your computer. You just need to go to Windows search bar and type there Microsoft C++ Redistributable and just go to first link, and here is the latest. You can see here, just click on this latest download link and download for both version here. This is for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. Both downloaded link are recommended for you. Okay, just go here. 32, some application might not work with the 64, so it's recommended to download both the exe. And once you downloaded both here, just need to run one by one like so, and this will help application to start without facing any error and without encountering any error. First you need to install it, and thereafter you need to install this application. Installation is same, you just need to follow. Now if issue persists, restart is recommended after installing both the application here. But if the issue is not resolved, so let's go to second step. Second step, you need to repair your .NET framework repair tool. Go to the Microsoft official website here, Microsoft.NET framework repair tool. You just need to download this tool. Here is the download button. Simply you need to just download it on your location, and simply you need to run this. Restart is recommended. Just close this and install this as well. I'm going to step number 2 to repair the .NET. Next, and now this will re-register Windows installer service, restart Windows installer service. Just click on next, and it will automatically detect the issue. And after running this tool, restart is also recommended on your Windows. If after applying these two methods issue still persists, so let's move on now to the advanced method. Simply tap the registry, open the registry editor as administrator, and you need to go to this location. Let me show you one by one how you can go there. For your reference, I have pasted the value here. HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT. HK local machine, software, then Microsoft, Windows NT in a W series. Here is. Then look for the current version, and once you look for the current version, you can see here Windows. Let's press W. Here is. Now on the right hand side you need to look for this load app LNIT underscore DLLSS. So here is the exactly name here. This is, you need to double click on this and make sure its value is 0 here. If there is any change on it, 1 2 3 whatever, you need to change it to 0. Hit OK and restart your Windows. Restart or update, restart your Windows. If issue still persists after applying this method, in this fix I will show you how to repair your Windows OS corruption files. First command is sfc space scan now. Now this will repair the system file corruption. This is the sfc. Make sure you reboot your system. Since my window is not up to date, I have to restart, then I can try it, and thereafter you need to hit this command. This will restore your system health, imaging of your windows, and thereafter again you have to restart the windows one by one. Run this command, thereafter run this command, and then restart your windows, and hopefully your issue will be fixed. I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.